Hello. I thought today that I would sit out on my front porch and crochet in this beautiful, much needed rain. My gosh, you guys. It's awesome. So beautiful. Look how green everything is now. And the corn is just like opened up and is like, yes, 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 thank you, thank you, thank you. I need to fill my poor little bird feeders. They need some food. My thistle seeder is good for my finch feeders, but definitely need to add some sunflower seeds for my other birds. But while I'm sitting out here, they are not going to want to come around, so it's okay. And I forgot to get a stand so I could let you watch the rain while I talk. Hang on one second. There we go. Okay. Alright, and then I'll just leave it on here in case the birds decide to show up and try to get some feed. Oh, here's my sunflowers. Look at my sunflowers. They're all thinking, yay, some water, some water. There you go. Nice. Watch. For at least 10 minutes. But I'm going to be working on my hold on. I'm going to be working on my Afghan. I've got I'm doing some of my squares in this and some of my squares in this. So I've got let me get them out of here. I got this many squares done. Yeah, I got quite a few left to do yet. So anyway, that's what's going on here, guys. What's going on here? Anyway, so I'm going to let you go back to watching the fun stuff while I just sit here and record. And when this shuts off, it shuts off. So thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoy it. The birdies. And there's a birdie that just came in. There's some more birdies. Maybe I should... you think maybe I should fill them for you? I could do that. I'll fill them and I'll be right back. Okay, I filled them. So we'll see what happens. They're not going to come around right this minute because they're talking to each other right now. They're like, oh, she put food in it, guys. She put food in it. We must check it out. Let's check it out. Get out of my bag, Pika. Nope. Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, leave it. You can't jump. Oh, no, don't jump up on my back. Don't jump up on my back. You can't lay behind me. I'm on the recliner. I know. You're going to lick my face. I know. I know. You can't lay on my shoulders. There's a bird. There's a bird. You see the birds? Yeah, the birds. You're going to come in. No, don't get on my lap. You're soaking wet. I don't care. You're wet. I don't want you on me. I just don't. I want you climbing on me with your nasty, nasty self. I just don't. No, sir. Anyway, so I should push my one feeder out further, but away from the, yeah, I'll do that right now, even though you're on here. Watch me. I'm going to push this out further so that the birds don't feel like got them on top of me. They get a little bit antsy sometimes. And you feel like I might attack them. Anyway, so I figured today I will sit out here on my porch and just enjoy the rain that God's given us today, and the birds that are singing with happiness because finally there's some rain. They aren't dying of thirst. You can see in my video there, there's to the right of the screen there's a little, looks like a mason jar under my flag. Well, anyway, it's full of water. I keep it full of water because it's been so hot. They didn't have any puddles or anything to drink out of. And so, I mean, I guess they could have flew out to the river, but it's fine. They have water here. I put water out front, or here out front, and then I have the water thing in the back that they drink out of. It's a little tray. They can even take a bath in it if they want to, I suppose. But, so I just make sure they have food and water. Keeping my birds around. When I come out here, because hardly anybody sits out here anymore now that Pika's got his big yard. We usually sit out on the back porch. But here comes a little bit more rain. Here it comes. Yay. I also like to listen to the rain on the roof. My tin roof. Anyway, hardly anybody sits out here anymore because Pika's out back and we sit out back with him. But he likes to come out here too because he likes to watch the birds. But usually when I come out here, I open the door and there's like hundreds of birds just whoosh, go away, they fly off. And whenever I come out to get the mail, Pika likes to come out with me. As soon as I open the door, he comes charging out the door at the birds, you know, to watch them fly off. He thinks that's just neat as can be. He gets excited. And he doesn't want to attack them. He just wants to watch them